Hello everyone, thank you once again for tuning into our YouTube channel. Today I want to talk about a way that you can save money when you go to the dealer for an oil change or just a routine maintenance. Some dealers are pretty good about telling you things that you need to take care of, and they will not pressure you or harass you into getting it done with them. So if that's your case, you're good. If not, you're going to have to just get brave and tell them that, hey, listen, thank you, put it in writing and I will take care of it, or I will speak to my significant other and we'll make a decision then. So sometimes, as you can see here, they'll tell you that you need new wiper blades. They're giving you a quote for $47. Of course, I told them no, and you get it done yourself. You can go into an auto parts, buy them for half of that for both and do it yourself. Or if you know someone that can help you, you can buy it and together you can get it done. A friend, a neighbor, someone in your house. It's always good to know and see how it's done. But one thing here that if you are a Prius owner that you're going to have to deal with is, and I had to look this up, what is a HV battery filter? Well, it's a hybrid battery filter. So hybrid vehicles have two batteries. They have a regular battery, just like your regular car, 12-volt battery, and they also have a hybrid battery. So what I ended up doing, I looked it up, and I got the sketch that came in with the filter that I bought, because I could have easily bought that filter for $49 plus tax and went home and installed it. But I looked it up online, and it's basically, there's a grill next to your back seats. So if you look at the back seat of your vehicle, you'll have a grill there, and it looks just like this. After you put the filter, I don't really see much of a difference there, but basically the filter is this device right here, this part, and it's got little tabs on here, two on each side, two on this side, two on the other side, that clip right into the opening. And what it is, it's basically, it looks like a window screen, the best way I can describe it. So I'll tell you what I'm going to do is I'm going to go out to the vehicle and do a hands-on so you can see how it works. But what you want to do is you want to buy this online, buy it yourself. It's hard to get it at the dealer. They're going to charge you $50 for it. I'm going to provide a link for you where you can get the part for only $15. If you look at it in your hand, that's exactly what it looks like, a $15 part. You don't need to spend $50 for it. So I'm going to go ahead and step outside, show you guys what it is, what it looks like, install it, and you'll see it gets installed in literally 3 seconds. After that, you'll be happy that you paid $15 for it instead of $50. So let's go outside and get this done. Okay, so as we were previously showing you in the computer, this is the area that we want to filter the air that's going to the hybrid battery. So the way the car works basically is the indoor air from the cooling system, so your air conditioner, nonetheless, in the summertime, some of that air is being pulled in here. So there's a fan down the line through this area that goes through a duct that cools the hybrid battery to keep it from overheating. The problem is, like we mentioned, is that you need to filter this air because there's dust particles that are going in there, dirt, sand, whatever. So the part that we mentioned before is basically this little thing here, and if you look in the back, it's got these little clips that basically just snap into place. There's nothing to it, and you can see it looks like little screening material. It's supposed to filter some of that dust. So then we're going to monitor it after we have it installed for a while, just to make sure that it is trapping dust particles, and then maybe in another video we'll show you how to clean it. It shouldn't be hard at all, just rinse it. But as you can see, it just snaps in there. You're going to push it in there and it just fits into place. That's it. That's all there is to it. It's not hard at all, so you should be able to do it and save yourself some money. So if you have any questions, please post it on the bottom, on the description, on the comment section. I will post a link so you can get it yourself. And for under $20, it's better if you do it yourself than pay the dealer $50 to do it. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.